Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to draw this, draw from this question, which says draw an uncut cabbage and depict its surface texture with color. So basically, it asks for it wants to look how well you are aware of the objects in around you and also the vegetable textures. Okay, so we will just start with a color which is quite close to uh, a cabbage outward uh, outward color, which is mostly light green. Okay, so let's draw, and it is slightly spherical in shape. So we will get that shape first and color it totally. All right, after that we can first draw that give it a circular feel. What we say as a spherical feel. So slight amount of dark tone here and there can start giving it that feel that it is a rounded object. Okay, now after this we can get that outward cover or various kind of layered surfaces that it has, and it can be drawn on top of it with a lighter color. So this actually forms the basics of layered object and the surface tonal qualities and other how the various features of this cabbage comes out, and that can be depicted in this way. So it is always, suppose if you face whenever you face a subject questions like this, you need to recollect how their uh, structure was and what was the exact colors on each of the phases. So that gives you a very good look and feel and quite an accurate representation of the drawing. So now you see we will give a little bit of highlight here and there to bring out that qualities and also like how it comes out on top on that, and then add a shadow wherever required. which gives that feel and texture of that layer top. So this gives our brings out, not only shows your drawing and coloring skill, but also reflects your observational skill that is essential for any design entrance examination. So after this you can give a slight shade like it is lying on a surface, and this will mostly complete your sketch. Okay, so that is how you shall try solving questions, and every time you see around any objects near you, try to depict them with colors with as much accuracy as possible. And this will not only increase your drawing and coloring sense, but also your visual vocabulary. So I hope you understood how to solve question like this. Keep practicing. Thank you.